Hello everyone, I am Vijay Katta, and in this lecture we will discuss the solution to given assignment problem. In my last lecture I have given one assignment related with IP address subnetting. So the given IP address is 205.16.37.32 and CIDR masking is given as a 28. The question is find the subnet details and find the subnet ID on which the machine is connected. So let's start the solution. So given IP address is 205.16.37.32. Now if we do not perform a subnetting, it means we are related with the class full and this series lies in the class C. So default masking for class C is 255.255.255.0 means 8 bit this, 8 bit this, 8 bit this, 24 bits. Subnet masking defines or default masking defines how many number of bits are used for the network portion. So total 24 bits are used. Now the in the question they have defined 28-bit masking. It means first 4 octet from fourth octet, we will use 4 bit for subnetting. So derived masking is 255.255.255.240. Why 240? We will take 128-bit position from fourth octet. We will take 64-bit position from fourth octet, 32-bit position from fourth octet, and 16-bit position from fourth octet. So if we add all these bits, that is nothing but 240. So it will be 240. Now, with this combination, we will generate the subnet IDs. So with the help of 4 bits, total 16 combinations are possible. So start with 0000, that is nothing but 0. This is my first subnet address. 0 0 0 1 1 from the 16-bit position, that's why it is 16. Next is 0 0 1 0. Now 32-bit position is present here, so it will be 32. Fourth one is 1 1, so 32 plus 16, 48 bit. And similar pattern, we have find the IDs, subnet IDs for the all 16 combinations. So these are 0 16 32 48 64 80 96 112 128 144 160 176 192 208, 224, and 240. It means increment of 16. Now, for a given IP range, our network address will be 205.16.37.0. Now, total host in class C, there are total 8 bits are used for host ID, but out of 8 bits, 4 bits we use for subnetting. It means only 4 bits are remaining for the host ID. It means 2 power 4, that is nothing but 16 hosts per subnet will be available. Now next one is a total valid host. Now to calculate total valid host, we have a formula 2 power n minus 2. N is nothing but total number of bits are available, that is nothing but 4. 16 minus 2, which is equals to 14. It first and last IP address will not be assigned to computer for unicasting. Now from above table we have calculated the subnet ID. So my first subnet will be 205.16.37.0. I already mentioned total host and valid host. Now this will be common for all subnets. Now host IDs will be 205.16.37.1 and last will on the 37.14. And the broadcast address, this broadcast address 205.16.37.15, it will use as a broadcast address for this subnet. Now next subnet will be started with 205.16.37.16, and this is a host valid host range, and this will be the broadcast address for this subnet ID. And in this pattern, now third one, 205.16.37.32. This is my third subnet. Total number of valid computers are 14. So we will start with 33. 33 will be my first number, and 46 will be the last unicast address or the computer number. And 47 will be the broadcast address for this subnet. Again, on these subnets, total number of hosts are 205.16.37.33. We will start from this IP address, and the last host address will be 46, 37.46, and 47 will be the broadcast address. In this pattern, we have find out all the subnets, their host IDs, valid host IDs, and respective broadcast address. Now, for the last one, our 205.16.37.240 will be my last subnet. Total hosts are 16, valid are 14, and the host IDs are 205.16.37.241, and it will end at 205.16.37.254. The last address from this range is a 255. So this 255 range will be used as a broadcast address. This is a broadcast address for network. So the our given address, our given address 205.16.37.32 will be a subnet address. It will not be a computer address. So this is a final answer for our assignment number 1. Thank you.